Elements, alkaline earth metals. Lecture 2, chemical properties. Reaction with water. Size increases. Reactivity increases. Beryllium, small size, cold and hot water, no reaction. Beryllium reacts with steam to form oxide. Magnesium reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide. Calcium, strontium and barium reacts with cold water to form calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide and barium hydroxide. Calcium, strontium, barium in M+2 state. It loses 2 electrons. Water H2O, H plus and OH minus. 2 H2O, 2 H plus and 2 OH minus. M+2 reacts with OH minus to form MOH, twice evolution of hydrogen gas. Size increases, reactivity increases. Beryllium, small size, it does not react with cold and hot water. Magnesium reacts with hot water. Calcium, strontium, barium react with cold water. Note, beryllium and magnesium, no reaction with cold water. Reason, first one, low reactivity. Second one, beryllium and magnesium has inert oxide film on surface. Inert oxide film on surface. Beryllium hydroxide, amphoteric. Other hydroxides basic. Other hydroxides are basic. Calcium hydroxide, lime water, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide, baryta, barium hydroxide, baryta. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. Calcium hydroxide basic in nature. Beryllium hydroxide amphoteric, it reacts with acid or base. Calcium hydroxide basic in nature, it reacts with acid, that means CO2 gas. Lime water basic in nature. Carbon dioxide acidic in nature. From calcium carbonate precipitate, insoluble in water. Excess of CO2 pass through the calcium carbonate. Excess of CO2 to form calcium hydrogen carbonate. Precipitate, soluble in water. soluble in water. Calcium hydrogen carbonate on thermal decomposition to form calcium carbonate precipitate. Calcium carbonate precipitate. Chemical properties. First one, reaction with water. Size increases, reactivity increases. Beryllium does not react with cold and hot water. Small size, less reactivity. Magnesium reacts with hot water. Calcium, strontium, barium reacts with cold water. Why beryllium and magnesium does not react with the cold water? Reasons: beryllium hydroxide amphoteric. Other basic: calcium hydroxide base reacts with acid to form calcium carbonate precipitate. B. Reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. M. Alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. M+2 state reacts with acid HCl. Acid M+2 Cl minus form MCl2. Halides hydrogen gas. Beryllium acid, no reaction. Reason beryllium has inert oxide film on surface, or passive, inactive, that means. So it is not readily even by concentrated HNO3. It is strong acid. Beryllium does not react with acid. Why? Because beryllium has inert oxide film on surface, that means passive. So it is not readily even by concentrated HNO3. Beryllium has amphoteric nature. Beryllium reacts with base NaOH to form base. Beryllium has amphoteric nature, that means acidic nature, basic nature. Beryllium acts as acid, reacts with base to form salt BeOH twice, or Na2BeO2. Sodium berylate, salt, sodium berylate, salt. Berylate, sodium berylate, salt. Beryllium acts as acid, reacts with base to form sodium berylate. Magnesium, calcium, strontium reacts with magnesium, calcium, strontium, NaOH, no reaction. Reaction with acid, alkaline earth metal to form halides, MCl2 halides. Beryllium does not react with acid because it has a inert oxide layer on surface, inactive or passive. Beryllium reacts with base NaOH to form sodium berylate salt. Magnesium, calcium, strontium does not react with the NaOH. C. Oxides and peroxides. Oxides and peroxides, or reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. M. Alkaline earth metals. M plus 2 state. Reacts with oxygen, oxygen O minus 2 state. It form oxides. It form oxides. Beryllium, oxygen, 600 degrees Celsius, no reaction. Beryllium, oxygen, 600 degrees Celsius, less than 600 degrees Celsius, no reaction. But magnesium reacts with air. Air consists of oxygen and nitrogen gases to form oxides and nitrides. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form oxide. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form nitrides, Mg3N2, to form nitrides, oxide. Reaction with the oxygen to form oxides. Beryllium less than 600 degrees Celsius, no reaction. Beryllium, magnesium reacts with air to form oxides and nitride. MgO is used as refractory material in furnace. Furnace internal coated with magnesium. Why? Because magnesium is low reactivity and high melting point. The coordination number, Cn means coordination number of beryllium oxygen coordination number 4:4. That means the coordination number means the number of atoms surrounded by the central atom. Beryllium oxygen coordination number 4:4. Like according to solid state, example ZNS, coordination number Mg, magnesium oxygen, like rock salt. In BeO and MgO, water, no reaction. That means inert oxide layer, no reaction. But calcium CaO reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. CaO reacts with calcium hydroxide, evolution of hydrogen gas. Calcium hydroxide with evolution of hydrogen gas. Calcium hydroxide means slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. Magnesium hydroxide is insoluble precipitate. BeO has covalent nature. Oxide chemical properties, see oxides and peroxide reaction with oxygen. Beryllium less than 600 degrees Celsius, no reaction. Magnesium form oxides and nitrates. Magnesium oxide used in furnace. Coordination number means the number of atoms surrounded by the central atom. 4:4. Coordination number of magnesium oxygen. BeO, MgO does not react with water. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is insoluble. Calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine gas to form CaOCl2, bleaching powder general name. Chemical name chemical name calcium hypochlorite chloride. Calcium hydroxide, that means base OH minus reacts with Cl2. Calcium hydroxide OH minus reacts with Cl2 to form OCl minus plus Cl minus. OCl minus and Cl minus. OCl minus means hypochlorite, Cl minus chloride. Barium reacts with oxygen 500 degrees Celsius to form barium peroxide. Barium peroxide. Ba plus 2 and peroxide O2 minus 2. Peroxide O2 minus 2. Barium peroxide reacts with acid HCl. Ba plus 2 and Cl minus BaCl2 plus hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide. Basic nature. Order of basic nature: BeOH, MgOH less than M, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Basic nature. Size increases. Basic nature means barium hydroxide which can give easily OH minus ion. Size increases. OH minus which can give easily OH minus ions. Which can give easily OH minus ion. Order of basic nature: beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. D. Carbonates. Oxides reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbonates. Oxide reacts with carbon dioxide. Or hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbonates. Take a best example. Oxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbonate, or hydroxide reacts with carbonate to form carbonates. Carbon dioxide to form carbonate. M means CaO plus CO2 gives rise to CaCO3. Or calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate. Thermal stability of carbonate. Thermal stability of carbonate. Thermal stability of carbonate. Thermal stability of carbonate. BeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3, SrCO3, BaCO3. Anions are same according to Faison rule. Anions are same, and in case of anions are same, but cation, size of cation increases. Thermal stability increases. Thermally more stable. BaCO3 thermally more stable when compared to the SrCO3, CaCO3, MgCO3. Carbonate, that means oxides, reacts with carbon dioxide, or hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbonate. Thermal stability of carbonate. Hydroxide, in case of hydroxides, OH minus, and sulfates, SO4 minus 2. Hydroxides are in small size. Hydroxides are small size. Sulfates are large in size. Large in size. First example 1. Be beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. Beryllium small size, hydroxide small size. Barium large size, hydroxide small size. Radius difference increases. Radius difference increases. Solubility increases. Radius difference increases. Beryllium small size, hydroxide small size. There is no radius difference. Radius is very small. Large radius difference. Order of solubility in case of hydroxide. Order of solubility. Beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Order of solubility in case of hydroxide. In case of sulfate, beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate, barium sulfate. In case of sulfate, beryllium small in size, sulfate large size. Barium large size, sulfate large size. Radius difference very small. Radius difference increases. Solubility increases. In case of sulfates, order of solubility. In case of sulfates, order of solubility BeSO4, MgSO4, CaSO4, SrSO4, BaSO4. In case of sulfates. Nitrites means alkaline earth metals reacts with nitrogen to form nitrites. Alkaline earth metal exists in M+2 state. Nitrogen exists in N-3 state. Criss-cross method to form nitrites. Metal nitrites. In this metal nitrites, metal exists in M+2, nitrogen -3. N-3 means nitrite. Okay, alkaline earth metal reacts with nitrogen to form nitrates. Alkali earth metal exists in M+2 state. Nitrogen exists in N-3 state. It forms metal nitrites. Metal nitrites undergoes hydrolysis. M+2, N-3. Hydrolysis H+OH minus. M+2 reacts with OH. N-3 reacts with hydrogen to form metal hydroxide. to form metal hydroxide and ammonia gas. Take a best example, calcium nitride undergoes hydrolysis to form calcium hydroxide and ammonia gas. Example of metal nitrides: magnesium nitride, calcium nitride, strontium nitride. Metal nitrates. Nitrate means NO3. Metal nitrate. Metal nitrate. On thermal decomposition of metal nitrate. On thermal decomposition of metal nitrate to form metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Take a best example, magnesium nitrate, MgNO3 twice, magnesium nitrate. On thermal decomposition of magnesium nitrate to form MgO plus NO2 plus O2. Nitrites means alkali earth metal reacts with nitrogen to form nitrites. In this nitrites, metal exists in N+2 state, nitrogen exists in N-3 state. Metal nitrates undergoes hydrolysis to form hydroxides and ammonia gas. Next one, carbides. Carbides means beryllium oxide, BeO, reacts with carbon to form carbides. Beryllium carbide. In this beryllium carbide, 2Be plus 2. Beryllium exists in Be plus 2 state, carbon -4, C -4. Beryllium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. 2Be plus 2, C -4. Hydrolysis, H plus OH minus. Beryllium ion reacts with OH minus, carbon reacts with hydrogen to form beryllium hydroxide and methane gas, CH4, liberates methane gas. Carbides, beryllium oxide reacts with carbon to form beryllium carbide. In this beryllium carbide, beryllium in +2 state, carbon -4. Beryllium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form barium hydroxide and CH4 methane gas. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. Calcium +2 state to carbon -2 state, undergoes hydrolysis, H plus OH minus. Calcium reacts with OH minus, carbon reacts with hydrogen. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form calcium hydroxide and acetylene gas, C2H2, acetylene gas. Beryllium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form methane gas, beryllium carbide. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form acetylene gas. Calcium carbide reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide. Calcium cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis. To form calcium carbonate and ammonium hydroxide. Calcium carbide reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide. Calcium cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis to form calcium carbonate and ammonium hydroxide. Calcium cyanamide CaNCN, it is dissociate into CaNCN, calcium cyanamide dissociate into Ca plus 2 NCN minus 2. Carbons around 2 double bonds are present. Hybridization sp, shape linear shape. It is dissociate into Ca plus 2. Calcium cyanamide dissociate into Ca plus 2 and NCN minus 2 sp, hybridization linear shape. Calcium cyanamide reacts with carbon dioxide and water molecule to form hydrogen cyanamide. Cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis. To form urea. Urea undergoes hydrolysis to form carbon dioxide and ammonia gas. Beryllium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form methane gas. Calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis to form acetylene. Calcium carbide reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide. Calcium cyanamide reacts with carbon dioxide and water molecule to form cyanamide. Cyanamide undergoes hydrolysis to form urea. Urea undergoes hydrolysis to form carbon dioxide and bicarbonates. Metal carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide and water molecule to form metal hydrogen carbonate, are also called as metal bicarbonates. Take a best example. Magnesium carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide and water molecule to form magnesium bicarbonate. Important note: temporary hardness. Due to bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness due to bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. It is removed by, that means bicarbonates, it is removed by boiling or heating. Temporary water, that means calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. Calcium magnesium bicarbonate. Temporary water, temporary hardness. Heating or boiling to form calcium carbonate. It is soluble in water. Calcium bicarbonate is soluble. On heating or boiling to form calcium carbonate, white PPT precipitate. CO2 gas and water molecule. White PPT precipitate is insoluble. It is soluble in water. On boiling or heating, calcium carbonate, white PPT precipitate, carbon dioxide gas, water molecule.